You're supposed to just submit one question per video. So I'm not going to answer these two, and I will set a timer and see for 3 minutes, and I'll see how many I can possibly answer. So let's take a look at number 6. A body of unknown temperature is placed in the refrigerator at a constant temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, the temperature of the body, so after 20 minutes, the temperature of the body is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, the temperature of the body is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the initial temperature of the body. So if this is a constant rate, then what I would do is I would go back 20 and back 20 here, and at 0 minutes, the temperature of the body was 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So 60 degrees Fahrenheit was the body of the initial body temperature. Okay. A body at the temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit is placed in an oven whose temperature is kept at 150 degrees. After 10 minutes, the temperature of the body is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So it starts off at 050, okay? After 10 minutes, the temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the time for the body to reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So that would mean at 20 minutes, it would be 100 degrees Fahrenheit, because this is increasing by 10 each time. So at time 20 minutes, the temp will be 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so at 2 p.m., the thermometer reading 80 degrees Fahrenheit is taken outside where the air temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. At 2:03, the temperature reading yielded by the thermostat is 42 degrees Fahrenheit. Later, the thermostat is brought inside where the air is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. At 2:10 p.m., the temperature reading is 671 degrees Fahrenheit. When was the thermometer brought indoors? Okay, so you'll have to do that one. So I answered 6 and 7. So I hope that this video helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.